Hello everybody, it's Alita Groomer with you today again, and I will be showing you and giving you advice how to bathe a puppy. It would be more for pet owners, especially who owns puppy first time. This is my puppy, his name is Champy. He's 5 months old. He's used to obviously to get a bath, but I will give you some tips and tricks how to bathe a puppy first time. It can be, some puppies can be afraid of water, some puppies can be very good, so depends what setup you have at home. You can have, I have professional bathtub and I have chair there, but you can put in a bathtub like a chair up so you can do it. But my advice would be to put something where it will be not slippery, so your pet will not fall down. So for example, if you bathe it in a bathtub, have some plastic rubber mat, or in the end you can put even a towel. So you can use something like this too and put in your shower and just put a pet inside. This way you can even fill it up with water, warm water, and just bathe straight here. You can use the cup too, just pour water like this. Especially I recommend to use a cup on the faces because they for sure they will not like a face. So always do the body first and then you do the face. I really like to pre-mix the shampoo too, so I use cups like this. So make sure you have a warm water and let's get started. Here we go, you're going with me to get right here. I turn the water. Make sure it's warm. I pour a shampoo in a cup. This way you don't need to worry too much how you rub against the body. You can just fill up with water right here, cup. Just like this. It's nice and soapy. And let's get a puppy. Here we go. Champy, come. Okay. There's a puppy. So you can just start pouring the shampoo like this because it's already mixed with water. It's nice and warm. It's how you bathe the cats. They don't mind it at all. Here we go. It's okay. See guys, it's much easier. You don't need to pre-bath and put a shampoo. You just put it all together. Just like this. Nice and soapy. Always do body first. Doesn't matter which way you go first, feet or body, but pay a lot of attention to the feet because it's where we walk and feet always dirty. So you just rub, just like this, rub. Okay, baby. Okay, you're a good boy. I always highly recommend to bathe a dog twice. So first you remove all dirt. So with the first shampoo when you rinse. If you have trouble holding it, you can ask somebody to hold it for you. There we go. And I will fill up my cup again with the shampoo. More shampoo right here. It's okay, baby. running away from me. I forgot to mention, you always use on a puppy shampoo. So I have few samples. Today I used this one. This is mild puppy shampoo from Earth Bath. It's a tearless, so when it goes in the eyes, it's not a problem. Or you need to read the label, not necessarily the puppy shampoo. For example, this is a natural groomer, and here they say puppy and kitten safe. So it means you can use it because the puppies are more gentle and they're very sensitive, so you don't want to use something what it's not supposed to be used for puppies. So the face I will not like, so the best if you pour the... I forgot to mention you before I start, I put the cotton balls in the ears. It's okay, baby, it's okay. Like this, so the water doesn't go inside. Okay, baby. Like always, nothing goes planned with the puppies. Oh yes, hello. And then I really like to use for faces the facial soap. So this is, I use the blueberry facial. It's good for staining from spa. So this is very safe to use around the face and eyes. So if it goes in the eyes, it doesn't bother them. Make sure you scrub all this eye boogers. And then you use, I really love to use a flea comb. So you can remove the buggers just like this. It's okay, baby. Oh boy. Don't forget to braid them and give them a lot of treats. And always use the conditioner after the bath. So once you rinse, if your puppy doesn't like it, you can use the capture rinses too. Be very gentle and careful around that face. As you can see, she doesn't enjoy that too. And if you really have trouble even with smaller cup, like by filling it up like this, pouring carefully. Seems like we don't mind cup too much, you see, he's more calm. And then if your dog really doesn't like it, and especially dogs with short face like Shih Tzus, you can take a cloth or some towel and make it warm like this, and just wipe up face with a towel like this. And then always I would like to put conditioner. I use only natural pet conditioner because it's very gentle. This way you keep your dog hair very healthy. So you just put it all the way around and it smells really good. You can leave it for a few minutes, depends if your dog is tangled or not. And then you rinse it. So we will finish rinsing, but hope this video was helpful for you guys. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe so I can make more videos for you. With Champy, he's only 5 months. He did very well. We're working for him to love baths. So my baby is. Good boy. Thank you so much and see you next video. Bye bye.